video I am going to be showing you guys how to do smoky eyes. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Oniboko Adefeikemi, aka Difeyi. And I'm back with another video today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. You guys know that I love you so much. So if you're a beginner or you're a makeup artist but you don't know how to do a black smoky eye look such as this, keep watching this video. I'm sure you will learn something from it. Now, look, black smoky eye shadow is one of those easy eyeshadow looks that you can ever do. Like, to be very honest with you, I always prefer, if at all I'm supposed to do like a dramatic look, I prefer to do a smoky eye look, like a black smoky eye look, compared to any other smoky eye, maybe compared to any other eyeshadow, sorry, be it a cut crease or even like a normal eyeshadow look. And please keep watching, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, okay? And I'll see you in the video. So the first thing I'm doing is applying an eyeshadow base on my eyes. I'm currently using the Benign eyeshadow primer in Clown White, and I'm also blending it out with a blending brush. The key is to make it very smooth so my eyeshadow won't crease when I finally apply it. So next I'm taking the black eyeshadow from my Morphe palette, and I'm just going to keep on patting on my eyeshadow base, as you guys can see here, and I'm just going to be doing that in circular motions, and I'll just keep on layering the black eyeshadow as much as I want to. Look, there's nothing as too much black eyeshadow when it comes to a smoky eye look, so just pat until you've achieved your desired results. As you guys can see, I think this is enough black. So the next thing to do is to blend out the black eyeshadow. Just blend out everywhere that you've placed black in to avoid creasing, and prepare it for your transition color that is coming next. Look, the key to a very beautiful eyeshadow look is blending. So you blend in circular motions as I'm doing right now. So using the orange first and then the pink as my transition color, I'm just going to be blending out the edge of my black eyeshadow, call it the crease. So I'm just going to blend it out as much as well as I can, and then I'm going to keep on taking orange eyeshadow and use it to blend it. I like packing orange eyeshadow on my eyes when I'm blending my black smoky eye, because I want it to look seamless. I want it to look like they came from the same cloth. So yes, that's what I'm doing right now, as you guys can see. Ooh, damn, it's coming out nice. Okay, then we also do the same for the next eye as well. Then next, so that we can add more black, I would take another blending brush and just dip into the black eyeshadow and blend out the edges, the same place I added orange eyeshadow. So I'm just going to use it to brush it over with black, not so much, I'm just brushing it over slightly with black eyeshadow. Then I'm also going to take a pink eyeshadow that you saw earlier. So I'm going to take the pink eyeshadow and then I'm just going to use it to blend all over my transition color, just a little though, so it won't look too much, but then I'm just going to use it to blend all over the transition color. It serves as some sort of finishing touches, to be honest. So just to like clear out any harsh line or anything, that's what I'm doing right now, and voila, like basically this is it. So next I'm going to be taking this gold eyeshadow on my fingers and just applying it at my tear duct. I find that it's very easy to apply eyeshadow at my tear duct with my hand, because it just places it well and doesn't give me too much stress, and I don't like stress. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just patting it well. Then I'm going to be taking a brush, same blending brush that I used to blend out the black eyeshadow, to just blend out the gold, just so that there won't be any harsh line and it won't look rough. So that's what I'm basically doing. Now I prefer to do my smoky eye before my foundation routine, just in case there's any fallout and I can be able to clean it, which is what I'm doing here. I'm preparing my face right now for my base routine. So we're going to see the turnout in 3, 2, 1. Damn! So we are finally done with the makeup look. I really hope you guys learned something from this tutorial, because I feel like I try to show you as much as you should learn. Like, this is basically how to do a black smoky eye look. You can agree with me that it's not so difficult, but then you will not get the hang of it immediately. So practice makes perfect, definitely. So you have to just keep on practicing it and learning it. I'm sure you get the hang of it. So if you're watching this and you want to recreate this makeup look, this entire makeup look, and you want to like just maybe practice what you've learned today, please do so. When you post your pictures, tag me, okay? Tag me. My various social media handles, they are going to be up on the screen, so tag me and I'll be sure to check it out and repost. All right, let's get this makeup game hacked. Okay, I'm just so hyped because I love my makeup. Oh my god. So that being said, guys, we're going to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking through to the end. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Okay, let's keep this family rolling, glowing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.